Today's work is done. We will remain tomorrow, Stone.
Yeah, you were right. Let's have some rest.
Guys, why have you stopped?
Police officers are waiting for someone. Let's ask them.
Good afternoon, officers. Everything is okay?
Hello, trucks. It's stick out.
Yeah, we are waiting for a sport car and we need help. Oh, we got it. We can help you to barricade the road. Let's go, guys. I will close that direction.
And I will be here. Reed, let's wait for sport car. Stop where you are.
You shall not pass.
Hello, how are you today? Oh my gosh! Oh no! Help! Please. No problem. Hooray! Yes! Awesome!
Oh, I have a temperature. I can work and patrol today. Let's call Frank. Hi, Frank. Will you take my place today?
Okay, Sergeant. No problem.
Oh no!
Hi, people. What's your problem?
I need a help! I can't get my wheel out of the water hitch.
Okay, don't worry. I'll help you. Be quiet.
Oh, thank you very much.
Nothing. Be careful.
Somebody needs help.
Oh, okay. Truck? What's your problem?
My wheel was blown away. Can you help me?
Okay, I understand. Don't worry.
Oh, thanks. It looks like a new.
My mommy will be angry.
Hi, kid. What's your problem?
Hi, mister. I was playing with my ball and the ball fell to the river.
Okay, kid. Don't worry. Is it all?
Yes, sir. Thank you very much.
Goodbye. Lucas, tomorrow you must heal and recover.
Don't worry, Frank. I took a pills. Thank you for your help today.
Hello guys. Today we're going to build new parking house to wheel city cars. Oh, Dex is already working. We are a bit late. Okay. That's great. We will gather all that soil and take them to other place where in need. Wow, we are about to finish preparing place for parking house. Yeah, that's it. We have finished, Lucas. Now is your turn. Great. Well done, boys. Thank you and have a nice day. Firstly, let's make safe. Need to put signs that we are building. Now, fundamental parts firstly. Second one and third one. Lamps to the top. And shiny parking sign to be a little bit stylish. Oh, it's evening. We are on time.